Hi, it's Richard here from the smartthermostatshop.co.uk. Today we're going to look at the CM927 thermostat and how to repair it. So this is a CM927 thermostat. It's also known as a CMS927 if you look at the room unit on its own. It comes with a BDR91, which is one of these. And these are normally located by your boiler or in an airing cupboard or somewhere else, but you'll have one of these somewhere around your property. If you've got a slightly older CM927, you'll have a rectangle one of these, but the process is exactly the same. So on the CM927, to repair it with your BDR91 or the HC60NG, as the rectangular box is known, all you need to do is lift the flap. There's a little slider on the side here. We put that down into the off position. And then you press the up, the down, and the left-hand arrow over here. Okay, so that's the up, the down, and the left-hand arrow. You do that all at the same time, like so. And then it will say INST CO control binding. Okay, once you've done that, if you go up to your BDR91 or the HC60NG, which is, like I said, is the rectangle version, and you press and hold the button, it will start flashing about the 5-second mark. But what you want to do is you actually want to keep holding it until you get to about the 15-second mark, and this slow flash turns into a fast flash, like so. Once you get there, you can let go of the button. Okay. Once you've got there and you've got the fast flash, you press and hold the button again to put it back into the slow flash mode, like so. Okay. So once you've done that, hopefully you can still see that, you go back on the thermostat and you press the OK button. What you'll see on the BDR91 once you've done that is the BDR91 will have no lights on it whatsoever. Okay? So, then you go to test the thermostat. To test the thermostat, you put it back into manual mode, like so, and then you literally turn the thermostat up to say 25, 30 degrees, something like that. Okay, like so. And what should happen is the green light on your BDR91 will illuminate green. Okay, and then just do the reverse of that just to make 100% sure it's working. Just turn it all the way back down, so set it to like 15 degrees or something like that. And then the green light on your relay box again should go off, like so. Okay, if you've got any questions about these thermostats, please put it in the comments below, or you can send us an email or a message on any of our social media platforms. We are going to have some recommendations for other thermostats later on in the series, so if you have a faulty one of these and you want to replace it, we do have a link down in the description of where you can buy these to replace it. Alternatively, you can have a look on the Smart Thermostat Shop's website, and we have some alternatives there which we're going to cover in a future video. Thanks very much for watching. I've been Richard, and this is the smartthermostatshop.co.uk.